My name is Pratisha Ravindran and I study in grade 11 at Rue Continuum School. ASL MUN is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Throughout the 3-day conference, I've developed multiple skills like leadership, communication, teamwork, and more. Moreover, I've gained so much more knowledge from Mr. Jacob on how to write a well-developed position paper and resolution paper and how to be a good speaker. Most importantly, I've made so many more friends and memories from this conference. So if you have a MUN opportunity near you from ASL MUN or any MUN in general, I would recommend you join it as you will not lose anything but instead gain so many more memories and knowledge. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashmita Arun from grade 9A studying at True Continuum School. Today I'm going to talk about MUN. MUN is Small United Nations, which stimulates what's happening in UN. The SSVM Institutions organizes MUN every year, and this year we are around 300 delegates who participated in this ASL MUN. The ASL MUN we learned about the 21st century skills like collaborating, negotiating, public speaking, and diplomacy. My experience in this MUN was collaborating and taking up responsibilities by refining the solution papers. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Dhruv from Rue Continuum School. I am now in year 7. MUN is one of the most ambitious and one of the most interesting conferences that I have ever attended in my life. This is not one of my first MUNs. This is actually my 9th MUN. This really shows how someone can get interested in the world. Diplomacy is not something simple which you learn every day. I think the best example where you can learn diplomacy is a conference like MUN. Because here, you don't show your points by arguing or making random accusations or lying. You show them just by speaking. You also don't focus on what has already been done, like to help this world. You make new solutions. If you say something which has already been done, you won't be heard. Not at all. This type of experience also forces you to think better and think out of your mind. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tanuj Mopini and I'm in Rue School in the 9th grade. This has been my first time at an MUN and it has been an honestly incredible experience. We have learned how to collaborate with other people through the collaboration with other groups and other nations in the conference. We have also learned about public speaking through the opening speeches that we have given. Not only skills, Mr. Jacob Keeley has also given us this opportunity to teach us about environmental issues. He has taught us about the dangers of climate change and what bad things it can do to our planet. He has taught us that these need to be changed, or all of us are going to have not very good lives in the future. Because of this, it has been an incredible and educational experience. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Jessica. I'm studying in the 11th grade and I'm from SSVM Metropolitan. For the past 3 days, we have this wonderful session going on called the ASL MUN. This involves changing young speakers like us into the best versions of ourselves. So I have represented the country Kazakhstan and I have been working and collaborating with a lot of other countries. I've had so much fun and I learned a lot of things. And for the past 3 days, we have been working on the topic climate change. This involves a bunch of subtopics like floods, droughts, helping young children, old people, and refugees. I've had so much fun in the past 3 days and I've learned a lot of things and I've collaborated with a bunch of countries and I'm very grateful for this 3 days. I'm thanking chairpersons Mr. Jacob and Ms. Heira and also SSVM Institutions for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hey there, I'm Srish, the school pupil leader of SSVM Metropolitan here at the ASL MUN at SSVM World School. Personally, as a leader, ASL MUN has given me an opportunity to collaborate with every other delegate in this wonderful session. Personally, I would like to thank SSVM for giving us this wonderful opportunity to turning me from a Solivigan guy to a phlegmatic one. Once again, thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Vibha Bhantia of grade 11 from SSVM Metropolitan. ASL MUN 2025 was really great experience for someone like me who's shy to come up. It really helped me get out of my comfort zone and work hard. Meeting new people, understanding them and collaborating with them was so much fun. Working on real-world problems was an insightful opportunity for me. And finally, I'm grateful to our school management for giving me such a big opportunity because I loved and enjoyed it. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm V. Sudesh, a student in SSVM Metropolitan. This ASL MUN has taught me a lot.
So far, for the past 3 days, I've had so much fun. I learned how to research on the internet, I learned how to write resolution papers, and I learned how to deal with chaotic groups. Bonus point, I also found many friends. So I think that these 3 days were the best days of my life, and I don't think I'll ever forget them. For that, I should extend a huge, heartfelt gratitude to our school management for providing us with this opportunity to participate in the prestigious ASL MUN program, to build our career and to extend our future. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Chavi Jain from SSVM Metropolitan. This has been my third time joining the MUN program. From doing research, making position papers, collaborating with many different delegates, and contributing to the resolution paper, this program has taught me how to put myself out there and be a leader. I am very grateful to my parents, to our school, and to the amazing faculty for providing us with this great opportunity. To everyone who receives this opportunity, my piece of advice, do not miss this. Go for it. Thank you.
Hey there, I'm Ritesh from SSVM Metropolitan. When I entered this MUN, I thought this was going to be a couple of formal speeches and a round of tea breaks. But guess what I got? A full-blown diplomatic adventure. Shout out to the chair, the most wonderful person I ever met. This MUN has brought me out of my comfort zone. I spoke more than I thought I ever would. I laughed harder than I expected and met new people. So, I thank the management for providing such a wonderful platform for students.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanashri S of grade 11 from SSVM Metropolitan. The MUN program is an insightful, informative and exciting journey for me. Researching on position papers, collaborating with other delegates on resolution papers and rendering speeches have shown me how to see things in a different perspective and how to solve problems in the real world. I would like to thank our school management for giving us this wonderful opportunity, as MUN is a program where you can express yourself and prove to the world who you are and what you're capable of. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Andrea from class 11 studying in SSVM World School. This was my second MUN. Compared to my first MUN, I stepped in more confident and prepared this time. Representing Guinea gave me a lot of perspective. It reminded me that every country, big or small, had an important role in global decisions, and I'm so glad to bring that voice into the room. I thank SSVM Institutions for providing me with such a great opportunity. The lessons I've learned here about confidence, courage, and collaboration especially are the ones I look forward to take with me. This has been such an amazing experience. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Sai Kalyanvi of Regional World School studying at grade 9. Here at the ASL MUN League, the 3 days conference was so much good and it's one of my best memorable experiences. And here we got to improvise our critical thinking skills and public speaking skills. Looking forward to do more MUN experiences. Thank you.
My name is Tetsuya Tadakoro from Japan through Air Force program. I represent at SSVM Metropolitan 11th class. I enjoy making a project with my teammate who become my new friends in these 3 days. It is not easy to contribute my team, but it is one of my wonderful memory in India. Thank you, MUN.
Hi, my name is Miss Heira, and I've had the honor of being the co-chair at the 2025 MUN Conference hosted by SSVM schools. It has been incredible over the past 3 days to watch these students grow and work so hard for hours and hours, dedicated to not only bettering themselves, but bettering the world around them. All of these students would not have gotten this amazing opportunity if it weren't for SSVM schools and all that they give to their students. Not only have these lives been changed today because of SSVM, but the world and the future as we know it has been shaped by them. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name's Jacob Keeley. I'm the Director of Model United Nations for Access USA. And what we just finished up here at World School at SSVM was the second annual Regional ASL MUN Model United Nations Conference. 314 delegates from 6 or 7 schools competed in this championship to deal with the world's most important topic, that is climate change. These delegates came together for 3 days and they worked collaboratively in 10 different groups to create amazing resolutions for the United Nations. Dealing with the issue of refugees, water scarcity, drought, and all other climate issues, these delegates collaborated, made amazing speeches, and worked together to try to address the issue as it is coming at them today in today's world. These students did phenomenally and remarkably because they are SSVM students. I am always happy to be here working with the SSVM students. They are the brightest in India, and they work harder than anyone else I've had the opportunity to work with. And tomorrow, with the real UNEA session happening in Nairobi, Kenya, let's just say our real leaders in the world have a lot to live up to after watching these students compete in the same committee for 3 days. I want to thank the SSVM Institutions leadership, the management, and all the organizers who put this event together for a second year in a row. They did an amazing job allowing these students to have an opportunity that most other students in the world never get the opportunity to do. Thank you so much to SSVM Institutions, and we look forward to seeing you again for our 3rd Regional ASL MUN competition in 2026. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Shweta Bhantia S of grade 10A from SSVM Metropolitan. And oh my god, ASL MUN has been such a wonderful experience for me. Coming here, meeting new people, collaborating with them, researching together, and finding solutions to real life problems. Everything here was so meaningful, yet so simply driven. All I know that I wouldn't trade these 3 days of my life even for my soul. And I'm really grateful for the MUN committee to have given me this opportunity, and our school for giving me this opportunity. And I'd also like to mention that I received a huge scholarship for any college I want when I go to college. Thank you so much again.
My warm greetings to everyone. I'm Mujij of class 9. As we conclude these 3 enriching days of Model United Nations, I would like to express my sincere appreciation for the professionalism and cooperation displayed. The discussions were insightful, and the exchange of perspectives truly inspiring. Despite diverse national positions, we approached ideas and challenges with respect, diplomacy, and a genuine willingness to understand one another. This experience has not only strengthened our knowledge of global issues, but also our abilities to communicate, collaborate, and think critically. My gratitude extends towards the chairs, organizers, and every student whose contributions made this event possible. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity, and it's been an honor to work alongside all of you. Thank you, and may the spirit of diplomacy continue beyond this room.
Hello there. This is Sri Akshat of grade 11A from SSVM School of Excellence, and this is my review about the ASL MUN 2025 made by the Alma School. And yes, it is an honor for me to be the delegate of Vatican City, which is the Holy See. And I must say, this is one of the greatest way to create exposure. And also, we just tend to learn that the different working experiences we get from different students. So what this MUN actually was, is that it's just showing us the heat, the pressure that the UN is like generally getting up. So there are things like climate change, like WHO, we know this. And yes, this is my committee, UNEA, as I am the delegate at UNEA, of course. Yeah. So speaking of which, what we are focusing right now here, it's all about climate change, environmental, and yeah, so on. So this is like something like really beautiful. And also we just tend to get more and more solutions rather than exaggerating the problem. We, the youth in this school, tend to get like way more solutions. We just add that onto a paper known as resolution paper. We just like conclude with the problems and also give a detailed solutions for each and everything. Overall, ASL MUN is nothing but made totally out of youth, solution, and yes, of course, it gives each and every one of them an opportunity to speak and learn a lot. This is one of the greatest MUN I've experienced overall. Thank you. This is Sri Akshat signing off.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani and I'm currently studying in grade 11 SSVM School of Excellence. I'm here to talk about ASL MUN. On the first day, we gathered lots of delegates to form a group. In this group, we made people find their problems and solutions and added into a resolution paper and drafted them. On the second day, we found
signatories for our groups for the votings, and we made ourselves as the sponsors. On the third day, which was kind of difficult because we had to refine the paper and we had to add proper UN body names and proper statistics, which was kind of hard because it took so much time to research and all. And this was my day 3. And thank you all. And this MUN has taught me patience.